You page is an important part of any funnel. It confirms a visitor's action and guides them to the next step. Here's how to create one in System.io. Step 1. Open your funnel and click Add Step. Choose a thank you page template from the available designs. Step 2. Click Edit Page and change the headline to something friendly, such as Thanks for signing up or Your download is ready. Step 3. Add supporting text explaining what happens next. For example, tell users to check their inbox or click a button to access a free resource. You can also include a button leading to another page, video, or offer. Step 4. Keep the layout simple and remove unnecessary distractions. The goal is to reassure visitors and direct them toward the next action. Step 5. Save your changes and test the flow by submitting a sample email through your funnel. Your thank you page is now ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more quick funnel building guides and check the links in the description box.